Hello friends, today in our video we are going to look at how to access the Magento2 default GraphQL APIs, and also we will be looking at the softwares that are required in order to access the Magento2 GraphQL APIs. So once you have the Magento2 setup done in your server or in your local machine, you will be needing a software called as Altair. So you can search for the software from the Ubuntu software application, and then here you can search for the software name Altair. So this is the Altair GraphQL client which we can use to access the Magento2 GraphQL APIs. In my machine I have already installed the software, so you can install the software from the Ubuntu software application. So once you have the software installed, let us open up the software, and this is the Altair GraphQL software. So here you need to do is you need to paste the Magento2 URL, Magento2 website URL here, and then you need to append with GraphQL. So here if you can see, I am appending this text GraphQL with the base URL of the website, and I'm going to click on send request. Now the URL has been set. Okay, now when you click on this query link, this text here, this will show you all the available list of GraphQL APIs that are available in the default Magento. So in GraphQL there are two concepts. One is query and then mutation. Query is used for retrieving information from the Magento2 website, and mutation is used to perform any operations like update, add from the Magento2 website. So if you click on the mutation link, you can see all the functions like add products to compare list, add products to cart. So for this demo purpose, we are going to query for the available stores in Magento2. So I'm going to click on this query, and then in this available stores, here you can see the add query here, add query button here. You can click on this, and this will by default generate the query for the API, the GraphQL query API. GraphQL API query will be generated automatically here, and here you can see the list of fields that we are requesting as a response from the GraphQL API. Now I am going to click on send request, and the response will be the data from the Magento2 website. So here you can see all the we have requested for base link URL, base media URL, and all those data are given as a response in the response data. So the base media URL is here, and the value is from the website database. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this base currency code and click on send request. Here you can see the base currency code as USD. Now I've removed that base currency code from the query, and then I'm going to click on the send request. And if you can see in the response, the base currency code is not in the response. So that is one of the main advantages of GraphQL, that it will return the data only what we request, based on only what we request. So if we want this base currency code to be after category URL suffix, I'm going to paste it here, and then click on the send request. So here you can see the base currency code is now coming up after the categories URL suffix. So this is how you can access the GraphQL API from the default Magento. So here you can see the list of default Magento API endpoints that are available for the GraphQL. So if you want any information from the default Magento, so you can utilize these endpoints. You can generate the query and then get the data as a response. So that's all about accessing the GraphQL API, friends. Hope you like this video. Do like and subscribe. Thank you very much.